Hello there. Well, we're taking a little bit of a break in between doing the trees with installing this shower seat. Now, I've wanted this ever since I finished installing the tile. Something to rest my foot on while I shave my legs, or if I want to sit, something just to sit on. With that being said, time to get the layout. Now, I want the seat to be 17 inches off the floor, just like your toilet heights or your regular chair heights these days. The problem that I ran into with the template that they sent with the seat, it did not match the hole pattern on the back of the seat. So I'm having to kind of juggle this to get my initial marks and my layout on the tile for my first two holes that I'm going to drill. Once I got that mark, I went ahead and put double stick tape, which I did not film it, that thin stuff that I used to hold my vapor barrier in place on the metal studs. Well, I put that on the back of this seat, and as long as I wasn't putting downward pressure on the seat, that held it to the wall. Then I used the hole where the screws were going to go through on the back of the seat as my guide to drill into this tile, just to keep the tile from breaking and chipping off and whatnot. Had I been smart about this while I was waiting for the seat to come in, I would have went and bought a nice diamond tip bit that would have drilled through this tile just like butter. Instead, I used a couple of old carbide, masonry drill bits that were basically wore down to the nub. And let me tell you, it took 10 times longer than what it should have taken to get this seat installed. So if I have any advice for you, it's spend the money, go get yourself a nice diamond tip tile bit so you're not working up a sweat to drill a few holes. And then once it's finished, you can go ahead and put the screws in. Now, the nice thing about this seat is it did come with 2.5-inch stainless steel screws. So once I got the first two holes drilled, I went ahead and set the two stainless steel screws into the bottom hole of the seat. And if you're wondering, this is what's on the other side of that wall that I'm drilling into 2x4 material. Now it's just a matter of wash, rinse, and repeat on the other 4 holes. So this will get 6 of those stainless steel screws that are 2.5 inches long to hold this shelf in place. They're saying, or the seat in place, and they're saying that the seat is actually rated for 300 pounds. Alrighty then, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed day.